Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Epos Realty. This is Hussain with you. Today I'm going to discuss about breathtaking project located in Jumeirah village circle called Luma22 Tower. I'm going to discuss about payment plan, construction updates. Let's talk about numbers, the most important part of the investment. 50% down payment upon booking. Of course, you need to pay Dubai Land Department fees, which is 4%, and as well as administration fees. And then you need to pay 25% second installment in April 2024. Remaining 25% upon completion, which is going to be in September 2024 itself. We have multiple options in this building. We have studios, we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom. All the apartment comes with kitchen appliances. We have attached its Google pin location and description. We have full list of available units. You can contact us on our given numbers mentioned below. Guys, stay tuned with us on our social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and visit our website www.eposreality.com. As we conclude our exploration of breathtaking project Luma22, reach out to us at Epos Realty for an exclusive look into your future home. Don't miss the chance to be part of this extraordinary journey. Please like, subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Until the next time, this is Hussain signing off, wishing you all in the pursuit of luxury living at Project Luma22. Thank you.